Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magical Excel. And if you are a beginner or your goal is to become a data analyst, you may be wondering how much Excel you actually need to learn. In this video, I am going to show you 10 important Excel skills that every beginner should learn for data analysis. And instead of learning these skills with simple examples, we are going to work with a real-time data set. This is the beginning of our journey from Excel beginner to a data analyst, where we will gradually learn data cleaning, SQL, Power BI, Python, and real world projects. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have a data set here which belongs to a small company and it is a sales data. For this tutorial, I am using Microsoft Excel Online, which is the web version of Excel. It is little bit different than your desktop version of any Excel application. I will be demonstrating everything directly in Excel Online so that you can follow along even if you are using Excel in your browser. For today's tutorial, we are going to work with the sales data set and we are going to understand how to organize, analyze and extract useful insights from this data. As you can see that we have different columns: name, order ID, order date, customer, product, category and so on. So your data might have different columns and column names, but before that, before processing any data, our first step is to organize data properly. So here what I will do, you can see that here more than 100 rows of data is present and it belongs to a small company. Still, there are many companies who are saving and storing their data in Excel. And for becoming an expert data analyst, you must know the basic of Excel. You cannot directly jump to learn SQL, Power BI, or any other data analysis tool. It is similar to like learning any language, but before that, you have to learn ABC. Like that, to become a data analyst and to learn advanced tools, you first have to be familiar with the basic tool, which is Microsoft Excel. So here I have sales data. What I will do, first of all, I will organize this data properly and I will create a table of this data. So to create a table, you just have to select any cell. This will be highlighted and then press Ctrl A from your keyboard. This will select entire data which has information present. You must remember that the desktop application has different shortcuts and in web application those shortcuts will not always work. So if you had a desktop application for Excel and your file is open there, you can just press Ctrl A to select entire data and press Ctrl T to create a table. But in web version, you just have to select all the data and under insert menu, you have to select table. When you will select table, it will ask you a pop-up menu. My table has headers or not. So my table has a header. I will check this option and click OK. Now you can see that my data has been instantly converted to a table. Its appearance has already changed. You can see very clearly. However, you can also see that there is drop down menu for every column which you can use based on your requirement. At this point of time, what I will do, I will filter only salesperson data and I will filter only those data which belongs to the salesperson name Arjun. For that, click here and uncheck all this option because here all the salesperson name is already checked. You just have to uncheck all and select only Arjun and apply. Now you can see that only those data is visible here which belongs to Arjun. With this data you can take quick decision. You can see how this salesperson is performing, what is the sales amount which has completed by this salesperson and which region he's made sales and in which category, which product, which customer, everything you can obtain from here and you can take quick decision. Now that our data is organized into a table, our next step should be to explore it. The first important skill for a data analyst is sorting and filtering data. Imagine that your manager wants you to analyze only sales data from the north region. Instead of manually searching through all these records, we can simply use the filter option. Here you can see that under region you are getting a drop down menu. Here, if your manager asked you to filter only north region data, select this checkbox and click on apply. Now, with this, you can quickly get information about all the sales which happened in the north region. You can see that here a filter option is appear, means only filter data is coming. To undo this, just click here and you have to select clear filter from region. Now you can see all your data is visible. We can also sort our data if we want to see only the sales of any particular product. So here you can see that there are several products which is sold by this company. When you will click here, you can see that all products is checked off. Now if you want to see the sales of only laptop, you can just uncheck all other option and select laptop and apply. Now you can see that only those data which belong to the product laptop is visible here. Again the same process, you have to clear the filter, just click here and select clear filter from product. Like this, you can make effective use of sorting and filtering, and you can apply it in any column based on any condition, and you can get the data which you want and take quick decision. So today you have learned two important things. First thing is to organize data where we have created the table, and next thing is use sorting and filtering that helped you to filter data. In next video we will focus on next important skill which is mostly used by data analyst.